ये इन्होंने लॉन्ड्री पीछे बना दी अपनी ये, और इसमें कपड़े धो लेते हैं पीछे अपने। हाँ, इट्स गुड, वेरी एनक्लेव सेक्टर N। This house is under construction. You can see they are using these stones. Bhariya Enclave, Islam sector N. Visit Pakistan, visit Bhariya Enclave, invest in Bhariya Enclave and get the result. Within 1 year or 6 months, the prices are going to increase. There will be a jump in the prices. And those brothers and sisters living abroad in Gulf, Saudi Arabia, Canada and America, come here, invest here and make money. The time to invest in the business in Pakistan. It's a peaceful area and the prices are increasing. There's a time the prices are low because of the circumstances in Pakistan, but very soon it will be suitable. Political condition will be suitable and you will be surprised how the prices will jump and your investment will make you happy. So this is the time, best time to invest in Bhariya Enclave, and best time to invest in Pakistan. The prices are very low, very, very low. Invest here, purchase a plot, build a house, start your own business. At this time, purchase a shop, and you can make a lot of money from your investment in Pakistan. So come to Pakistan, invest in Bhariya Enclave. Even build a house and give it for on rent. Rents are getting higher and higher, and you can just construct a house. There are engineers, there are constructors, they will build a house and you can sell it after 6 months. And within 6 months you can build a new house for yourself. So this is a chance for you to invest in Bhariya Enclave, invest in Pakistan and make money.